The Vivo Y81 features a 15.46 centimeters, 6.22-inch full-view HD Plus screen, which makes it suitable for entertainment and gaming. The sleek finish and the curved edges makes it easy to hold and gives it a premium look. The phone is available in two color options, black and gold. This phone has a 3GB RAM and a 32GB internal memory, which can be expanded up to 256GB using a microSD card. The Vivo Y81 has dual SIM slots which both support 4G Volt capability. It has a 6.22-inch full-view HD Plus capacitive touchscreen with a resolution of 1520 x 720 pixels, and the screen-to-body ratio of 88% minimizes bezels and redefines the gaming experience. The phone also has a fingerprint sensor and face unlocking feature called Face Access. The phone features a 13-megapixel PDAF rear camera with multiple modes including Portrait Bokeh mode, HDR, Pro mode, AI Face Beauty, Slow Motion and more. The phone also has a 5-megapixel front camera for great selfies. The Vivo Y81 runs on Android Oreo-based Funtouch OS and has octa-core processor which makes it suitable for multitasking and gaming. This phone is powered by a 3260 mAh battery. The handset comes with a charger, warranty card, SIM ejector pin, protective case, an applied protective film and a user manual. The Vivo Y81 is made available through various EMI options, net banking or payment through your debit or credit cards.
Yeah.